Hi, this is Engineer Kashif, and I will give you a demo of how to use your Google Calendars using Google Sheet. Uh, in this sheet, I have some specific requirements from from my client. So definitely, I will explain that also. But we can do customized automation here as per your requirements. So this is extremely easy to create uh, your events from your Google Sheet. Like I'm just doing one entry here. Uh, for example, okay. First of all, I will show you my calendar. This is the test calendar that I'm using for this type of testing. So if you see on 2, 3, um, uh, first, second, third October, then there is no event created over here. So I'm just going to create one event on 2nd October. Then just by entering this information, an event is created. See, this is event ID, and if you don't want to see that, you can make it hide like this. And if we go back and check on 2nd of October, then an event is created already. Uh, this is a specific requirements as per my user. He want to create all day event, so this is all day event is created. If you want to create on a specific time, then it will be created like over here on a specific time. So if you check this event, then the information is all informations are here. And yeah, so this is all your information. And if you want to remove this event, then just select this row and remove it. That's it. And see, an event is already removed from the calendar. So this is very easy, very convenient to use this type of workflows. uh, like my user was having some specific requirements. He want to not create a duplicate event on the calendar. So if you see here, it's mm, this record is the 5 and 6, row number 5 and 6 is duplicated. So the it's not overwritten and are duplicated on the calendar. Just one time the event is created. And one more integration was here in this workflow. When we create a new event, my calendar was he want that for a month back, all the events no, for the current month, all the events should be removed from the calendar and recreated. So all the time when we make a new entry, a new for the month, the calendar is washed completely, and then the events recreated from this sheet, and new IDs would be placed here. So some type of some this type of integration he was like he make that. And if you change anything, for example, uh, please notice this cell also. We can do a lot of automations, so you can notice that it's going to update. See, updating and updated. So this show you that an event has been updated on the calendar. So see, this is created G129. I have some other calendar integration also, but I have to check with my project within my projects, because I have done lot of projects, few hundred of projects I have done. So it's quite difficult to get access to or remember on which application I have done this type of integrations. So if you want, I can provide some more demos also. Uh, Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to working with you.